What's going on, everyone? I'm going to be recording my trading again today. Just full disclosure, I was recording something different yesterday, but yesterday I did post it on the Discord. It was a losing day for me, so I don't only post winners. We do lose, I promise that. So just wanted to get that out there. We were recording something different, but we'll see how today goes. It's 9:29. We're starting in 3 seconds. That was the NinjaTrader. That one just got in on that entry candle. I need to start delaying those, but uh, that's okay. This one, we got lucky on this one. We didn't take it. Oh, we were outside of our filters for the SMM and the pullback. So that one kind of saved us that entry. But we were not so lucky with the Ninja. All right, so here we just got a pullback. We got our entry. Now the break even and target. That is target number 1. And for the Ninja, we did not get that entry. It was outside of the Ninja filter. So there are a few small differences between both strategies. Sometimes we are going to take slightly different trades. But that's okay. We're going to keep playing it. See how the day turns out. Guys, I think my Apex account got liquidated. I just got a notification. It got liquidated. See the accounts? That's kind of weird. That went right to profit. So let me exit that. Yeah, looks like we got liquidated. Here's our third entry of the day. So let's see how this goes. We're at break even now, and we hit profit target. So now we need 2 more winners to get that win for the day. And again, this is always the downside of these negative risk to rewards. It always takes so long just to recover from one loser, but we will continue. It looks like my Apex account did get liquidated. I thought I had a little bit more room. It must have just dipped down because that second target went right to profit. Or that second entry went right to profit, but it must have dipped down just enough to get me out. It sucks, but it happens. So we'll keep playing on this eval. And maybe I'll load that strategy up again on another account. Here's our 4th entry of the day. Whew, that one was close. I had to look away. If I look away, the market thinks I don't care and it will go to profit. All right, so we got that's our 3rd win of the day. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 winners. 3 winners, 1 loser. So we just need 1 more winner and we are good for the day. All right, here we got our entry. And we're at break even. There we go. Final profit target. We hit it for the day, at least on one account. I am a little bit disappointed about the PA, but that's okay. We will get more chances. We're still working on this one. I picked up some Lucid accounts, so I will start trading on those very soon. I have a few other strategies I'm working on. They're just testing right now. I'm working on getting the drawdown down just a little bit, and I will be running them. If they are good, of course, I will share them with the community. I don't like to share anything until I've done at least a little bit of back testing. But I think I will cut the video here. I want to keep it fairly short and simple. I will edit down all the waiting for you guys. Like I said, I am trying to do more of these sort of live runs with the Predator just to showcase how it works, see what I'm currently running. And guys, keep in mind, I am not a trading guru. I'm not trying to sell you some course. I'm not trying to sell you a bot that's going to make you $1 million. That's not the case. The Predator is an order entry and management tool for NinjaTrader that lets you create a variety of fully or semi-automated trading strategies. At the end of the day, this was mainly designed so each user can customize to their own needs. So you can automate many third-party indicators. You can create your own strategies. Whatever you want to do, the options are completely up to you. I just do these videos to kind of showcase what I'm currently working on and to give you guys a bit of an idea, especially those trying to get started. But again, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to message me on Discord or email us support@tradesaber.com. I try and answer everybody. But with that said, we are done for the day. I am going to cut it here. Hope you guys find it useful. As always, take care. Enjoy.